Today we're making these super simple, super tasty grilled chicken burgers. Let's get cooking. Welcome to the shack and welcome to episode 3 of my little mini series on burgers. Now today we are swapping out the protein as we're doing a grilled chicken burger, or a grilled chicken sandwich if you prefer. Now this is a pretty simple recipe and a straightforward cook. That doesn't mean it's any less tasty. In fact, it's probably one of the more healthier burgers we'll end up cooking in this little mini series. That being said, let's get to it. First, I thought we'd make a nice Cajun seasoning to go on our chicken. So what we're going to need is 3 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic granules, 1 tablespoon of onion granules, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally here I have some cayenne pepper. I've got a tablespoon here. If you don't like it that hot, just swap that out for a teaspoon. So that's a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. We'll give that a quick mix just to combine all those together. Just grab yourself a shaker if you've got one. Makes life a bit easier. Pour it in. The lid on, give it another little shake. And there you have your Cajun seasoning. That'll go perfect on this chicken and that'll keep. You've got plenty there for another time. So for our sauce, I just have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise here, and I'm just going to add in a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard, then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic granules, and 1/2 teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Just give that a little mix. There we go. That's a nice mayonnaise burger sauce. As we're here, we may as well prep a bit of garnish. I'll get some bit of iceberg lettuce, chop that down the middle, then we'll just shred this nice and finely. Followed by some nice ripe tomatoes. Okay, we'll pop all those to one side and we'll finally start on this chicken. So there is our lovely chicken breast. It's a nice chunky one, and as you can tell it's far too big to go on a bap, so I think we're going to butterfly this. So just find the centre and just slice down like that, down the middle, cutting it in half. You open it up, it's a bit thinner. We have a thinner piece of meat, we'll cut those in half that way. And we'll give it a little bash just to flatten it down a bit more. This way the chicken will be at a similar thickness and it should cook more evenly. That should do. Pop your chicken on a little rack and grab your Cajun seasoning. Sprinkle that on. Okay, we'll pop that meat to one side and we'll fire up the grill. Okay, that's the kettle all fired up. Let's get cooking these burgers. Okay, first off, what any good burger needs, that's some bacon. Throw in a pan. That should be enough. Best to get the bacon started first, so I don't think this chicken will take long at all, and the bacon will keep nice and warm. Just move that bacon off the direct heat. I've got this chicken on. We'll put it straight over the hot coals to start with. After about a minute we'll flip it over, then we'll move it over into the cooler side. Flip these over. Some nice grill marks on those. Just take this bacon off. Close that lid up for another minute. Okay, we'll just move these onto the indirect side now so they don't burn, and we'll leave them to cook for a few more minutes. I'm just going to toast these buns. I've put a little bit of butter on them, and we're just going to throw them on there for a minute. I think that'll do nicely. It's always a nice idea to toast the buns, as it stops them getting soggy when you put the sauce on them. Judging by those flames, I may have put a little bit too much butter on that one. Okay, our chicken's pretty much done. I'm just going to top it with a bit of cheese. This is some Emmental cheese. It's quite a mild cheese, so it shouldn't overpower the chicken. Just give that a minute to melt, and we'll build these burgers. So here's our chicken, all rested. Looks rather nice. I think I'm going to slice this a little. You can't get it on a burger just like that. So, as you can see, that's still nice and juicy in the middle. Grab one of these toasted baps. A bit of a mayonnaise. Always put sauce on both sides of your bap. So we'll pop on a bit of shredded lettuce. Nice slices of tomato. Pop some of this chicken on. I think we've got enough for 3 here. So don't forget our bacon. Well, I don't know what you think, but I think they look rather tasty. I think we'll do a cross section of one of these. See what it looks like inside. Oh, that looks nice. Tasty and fresh. Perfect for a summer's day. Well, I have to say, I think these look rather amazing. I'm looking forward to having a bite of one of these. See if they're as tasty as they look. Oh, that is good. That is very good. Oh yeah. The chicken is still lovely and moist, and with that crispy bacon or that fresh salad. Oh, very nice. Well, as you can see, that was rather easy, rather simple, and quite a quick cook. And it's turned out lovely. And I've got 3 burgers here, and that was 1 chicken breast. I know it was a large chicken breast, but I couldn't have really stuffed the burgers anymore with chicken. It's falling off the sides as it is. 3 burgers for 1 breast. Can't go wrong there, can you? That is so tasty, and such a nice alternative to minced beef. Most definitely. Okay, so that's my grilled chicken burger or grilled chicken sandwich. Rather tasty, rather simple to cook, and pretty quick to do as well. So hope you'll have a go. And if you do, let me know in the comments how you get on. If you've enjoyed the video, maybe give it a thumbs up, possibly consider subscribing. Until the next time, you take care now.